Okay, great. So now that we have Aweber all set up and we're ready to move ahead, our next step is going to be a domain name and a custom email address. Remember, we want to get the best delivery rates, and we're going to do that by hooking you up with a domain name and an email with your name on it. Okay, so we're going to shoot over to godaddy.com. GoDaddy. If you're not familiar, this is the #1 domain name company in the world. So we can feel safe working with them, and we're in good hands. Okay, so depending on when you watch this video, the site may look a little bit different, but we want to focus on the domain search box. This is where we're gonna find our domain name. Okay, first things first though, if you have an account, before you search for a domain name, just sign in. Okay, if you don't and you're a new customer, just go ahead and create an account, put in all your details or your contact information, and create an account. After you've created an account, go ahead and sign in, and then we can go ahead and search for a domain. So what, and I'm assuming you already signed in right now. So what's a good domain name? A good domain name will not contain any spam words and won't be super long. So when I say spam words, what do I mean? I mean things like rich, dollars, income, money, cash, free, surprise, open up, anything that basically is going to trigger spam filters and send your email straight to the dumpster. And yes, if your domain name and your email contain a spam word, it doesn't matter if you're with Aweber and you have perfect email follow-ups that Igor created for you, your domain will absolutely be responsible for how well you deliver. Okay, so it is crucial that we pick a domain name that is compliant with spam rules. All right, so here are some recommendations I can give you. You can just, and let's say your name is Dennis Ray, you can just use dennisray.com, dennisray.net. And remember, the only two domain types we're going to go for are com and net. We're not going to take any other extension because .com and .net are the ones that give you the best chances of inboxing. So dennisray.com, maybe dennis-ray.com. We can go for succeed with dennis.com, dennisraysuccess.com, work with dennis.com, dennisraymarketing.com is cool as well. So once you've found your domain name, simply type it in, succeed with dennis.com. And also, like I said, make sure it's not too long. So if it's like success secrets with dennisray.com, this is no good. This is way too long, and this will send you to the spam box as well, so don't. Okay, short and sweet, to the point. Succeed with dennis.com. Search. And yeah, it's available. So I'm just gonna sign in real quick with my already existing account because I haven't done so like I did ask you to do. Shame on me. Um, yes, I'm signed in. Okay, cool. The domain name is available, so I'm just going to go ahead and click select. I'm going to go ahead and continue to cart. And you can skip everything they're offering you here, all the upsells. Okay, sorry about that. I went back in my browser by mistake. You can skip all the offers and just click continue to cart. And there you have it. 12 bucks, that's it. If you have a coupon code, you can click add right here, have a promotional code, type it in, hit apply. I know that retailmenot.com has a lot of great coupons for GoDaddy domains. So if you want to get a cool discount, just Google it and you'll be able to find a coupon. Apply it before checking out, or you can just Google GoDaddy coupons. Okay, proceed to checkout. And here you have your billing information, payment information, MasterCard, PayPal, however you want to pay. And you click agree to the following and you click place your order. Okay. I won't be buying the domain name right now because I have a bunch of domain names that I already own that I can show you how to open an email with. So after you've clicked place your order and your domain name has processed, just go back to GoDaddy. Make sure you're signed in, of course. Click on your name, then go to My Products. Click on Workspace Email. And then you wanna set up the email forwarding, okay? Not the email, the free email plans, but the email forwarding, which is also free with your domain. You just click set up on the email forwarding, and you're gonna go ahead and pick the domain name which you have just purchased, okay? So I have, as you can see, quite a few of them. So for example, I'm gonna pick foxfortstatic.com or maybe even Fitchy.com. Okay, I'm gonna click setup, and there you have it. Email products added successfully. It may take several minutes for your new product to become active in your account. Great, so we're just gonna wait a minute or two, and then I'm gonna resume the video. Okay, so I just refreshed my browser and the email forwarding option appeared under the domain name I chose. For you, it will be the domain that you just bought. I'm gonna go ahead and under the workspace email, click manage. Okay, and you're gonna go ahead and click on create forward right here. Excellent. So what are we doing basically? What we're doing is we're creating a forwarder that will deliver emails from the email address that you're creating into the address that you're using every day. So if, for example, I'm going to create the address dennis@fitchy.com, when emails will be sent to dennis@fitchy.com, it will automatically forward those emails into my personal email Gmail box at dennisray@gmail.com, and I'll be able to see answers and comments that people reply through my Aweber follow-ups and broadcasts, because I don't want to be using this new box in my day-to-day business. I want everything forwarded to my email, which I use daily and which I can manage my business with. I don't want to spread myself over several accounts, and I'm sorry about that. Okay, so so here's the domain name, the email address I'm going to choose, dennis@fitshit.com. Okay, and I want to forward it to dennisray@gmail.com. Okay, and I'm just gonna go ahead and hit create and not worry about anything else. Voila! Any email delivered here, dennis@fitchi.com, will be automatically forwarded to dennisray@gmail.com. Perfect. Now my next step is to go into Aweber and set this new email as my from email address. So here I am in Aweber. I'm gonna go to list options, list settings. Sorry. I'm gonna scroll down to from name and address, and from name will be Dennis Ray, of course, and this will be the email address that we just created for the domain that we just purchased. So excellent. Scroll down, hit save, and you're all done. Now, what's gonna happen is the emails that Igor created for you, wrote for you, and you got are going to be sent from your Aweber, and the sender name will be Dennis Ray. For you, obviously, it will be your name. And the email address that will be sending those emails will be this custom domain email. It won't be your Gmail. It will be this custom domain email, and for you, this will be the domain name that you picked. And when anyone replies back to this domain, to this email, to the broadcasts and the messages that your account will be sending, his reply will be forwarded to your personal email address, or of course any other address which you have set up as I previously shown you. So there you have it. Very simple, very easy. You're now practically an expert. You know how to create your own custom email address in order to increase your delivery rates and not use a generic Gmail or Yahoo address, which will ruin your delivery rates. So great job, and I'm looking forward to helping you on the next video in the series.